Hey guys, today I'm going to do a video on two methods to take a screenshot, one without any applications and one using the standard Microsoft snipping tool. So the first way we'll do it is just using the snipping tool. Just press the Windows key and type snipping or snip and you'll see the snipping tool will come up. Press enter and then you can just click on new. Select your area and then you have your screenshot. Just edit and copy and paste it wherever you like. The second method is to press the print screen button on your keyboard, and then if I just do a Windows key R and type mspaint, then I can just hold Ctrl and press V and we'll get the screenshot pasted into mspaint. Then I usually just use the selection tool, select the area, hold Ctrl and press C, go to File, New, don't save, and paste it in there. And then you can do whatever you like with it. Okay, see you guys.